Perfect. Can't even tell you're holding it.
We love flying drones.
And we love getting amazing photos and videos of the properties we get to shoot.
However, I've noticed that there's some properties that present better on drone photos and videos than others. Have you?
Yeah, you're right, but I'm pretty sure there's a few tips we can give people just to help them out.
Yeah, my first one would be bins. Hide your bins either in the garage, down the side of the house, or under the eaves.
Also, I clean out the pool. Get rid of the pool toys, the pool cleaner, just give it a general tidy.
Yep. I would also say take all your clothes off the clothesline, all the pegs as well, and if it's one of those fold-away ones down the side of the house, fold it away.
Yep, and you know what? It might be simple and small, but cutting your grass can make a massive difference in the photos and videos.
Yep, and also hiding away all the kids' toys, just general tidy of the yard. I reckon that just makes a huge difference. I reckon those 4 things alone, and your property will look fantastic on drone photos and video.
Absolutely, and you know what? If you've got any questions, the Crib team's always here to help.